What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with penniesthousands.com, and I have another cash out for you on this site, Inbox Dollars. I've made plenty of videos on this site. I've been using it for a while, still make money with it. It's one of my favorite sites to use, so I'm going to cash out, and I'm also going to show you what I do to make money on this site. Real quick, my balance, like I always show you in the beginning of my videos, $13.73. I'm going to cash out $10, but what I do on this site, you see here I'm on the home page. Off top, it'll show you the surveys that are matched for you. Now right here it says 55-minute survey, $2, 24-minute survey, $5, 24-minute survey, $5. What I always do is surveys that are worth my time. Like right here, this first survey, 55 minutes for $2. It's not really worth my time. You know what I'm saying? It's not worth it. But for me, like personally, and this is what I kind of explain to people in my sessions that they book with me. Like I teach people how to be faster when it comes to surveys. Like with this survey, it says 55 minutes, but for me, just knowing that, I know how to answer surveys quick, I might get it done in like 45 minutes. But still, 45 minutes for $2 is not worth the time. But like this survey right here, 24 minutes, I can get it done, let's just say, 20 minutes max. 20 minutes, $5, that's not a bad conversion rate. So I'll do those two, knocking about like 15 to 20 minutes. So what I tell people, because people will book sessions with me, and I tell them like how to become faster with taking surveys. How to know, okay, when they're asking you questions, what's the right answer so you don't get qualified for the survey. How you continue to go deep into the survey so you really lessen the amount of surveys you're getting disqualified for. So if you're interested in learning how to really be quick with surveys and qualify for more surveys, book a session with me. The link is in the description. I can show you how to do all of that so you can really maximize the amount of money you're making. So again, just do the surveys. This learn and earn right here. Memorial Day was originally made by what name? I'm gonna say Remembrance Day. I don't know if that's the right answer or not, but answer and earn, and I was actually right. And so you see here, my scratch and win progress continues to go up. When you get these bars right here, you're able to make a little money. Just real quick, showing you how that is. I'm gonna click on the second one. All it is, you have an opportunity for this one to win up to $10. This one went up to 25. This one went up 100. And I'm going to be honest with you, I never won 10, 25, or $100. It's usually just a few pennies, but you know what I'm saying, just anything you can get, just take advantage of it. So just scratch right here. Probably just going to get 3 cents with it. So yeah, that's what I got, 3 cents. And just continue, and you'll see my balance go up to $13.76. But that's something you can do when it comes to surveys, when you're getting disqualified for surveys, when you finish a survey, when you're watching videos. Like pretty much everything you do on this site will actually contribute to your scratch and win progress. So just always take note of where you're at. Obviously, if you let it go all the way to the end, you have a higher chance of winning, bigger amounts of money. But as far as what you do on here, like I always like to jump over to the offers, the 100% free offers, and just see what's in there. You know what I'm saying? Like these are all surveys, offers that are going to be free. So right here, just always pay attention to what the description is telling you. So right here, earn $13, just get your quote and earn. You know what I'm saying? So just really pay attention to what they're saying and make sure you do that exactly. Right here, register for exhibit today, $8. Play Final Fantasy, $18. You know what I'm saying? Farming is fun. You sign up for this to play at $25. Now, some of them, even though it says 100% free offers, at some point it might ask you to pay for it. So it's not really 100%, but you know what I'm saying? Just always try to look at, see what they're saying. Like this one right here, Everyday Health. Sign up today, earn 50 cents. It's basically just signing up with a name and an email, and you're signed up, and bam, you get 50 cents. It's just that simple. So that's the first thing I like to do on this website over here, Inbox Dollars. Then I like to go back up to the home page, see what kind of surveys they have for me. Right here pops up a survey, but I'm not going to do that right now because I'm in the video. But you'll see here, this best survey right here, this is a survey that I was showing you at the beginning, that it's a really good match for me. So they really want me to take it because I'm really going to most likely qualify for it, but it's just not worth the time. But you'll see here other surveys that they have. I can always go through and do these. One thing about this website, they do actually give you a profile survey, and they actually pay you for it. So make sure you fill out your profile surveys. That way they're actually giving you surveys that you're likely to qualify for. That's another thing that I explained in my session, that those surveys are really important because a lot of people don't fill those out and they just jump into surveys and they disqualify for so many, and then they're wondering why. It's because you didn't fill out your profile survey. So make sure you fill that out, do it accurately, and make sure when you answer surveys that they actually go in line with what your profile survey answers were. That way you're really maximizing the amount of money you're making. Also, if you download the app, this site has an app that you can download, Inbox Dollars, on your phone. You can do it with the Apple or the Google Play Store, and you can take pictures of your receipts and you can earn $2. That's really good because it really adds up. Just every receipt, bam, just take a picture of it, $2 instantly in your account. Going back up, this envelope right here, click on this. You get paid to read emails. So all you got to do is just go down to the bottom, confirm this paid email. Just click on it. A link will pop up. That doesn't concern you, but you see there, my balance went up to $13.78. So just every email that you see, just click on it. You know what I'm saying? And just confirm it, $2 instantly. So I'm gonna do it again just to show you how easy it is. Just click on confirm this paid email, just like that. And you'll see there, $13.80. So I'm telling you, there's little things you can do on this site, like your scratch and win bar, that continues to go up when you're doing surveys. When you're clicking on these emails, 2 cents for those. So you're taking pictures of your receipts, 2 cents for those. So like, there's a lot of little opportunities here that really add up to big cash out. So for me, making this $13.80, it took me less than a week to do it. So this is one of the websites that I really recommend that you guys put into your routine, because it's just an endless amount of ways to make money. Just so many different things. So just so I can go ahead and get over with, I'm going to cash out. So I'm going to click on my balance. And you see here, I have the opportunity to request cash. So I'm going to do that. And the amount of gift cards they have on here are so many. It's just, you'll find something on here that you like. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of scroll through and look for what you want to do. I'm going to do PayPal. Usually the cash out in the site need a minimum of $10. It's not that hard to get. So I'm going to do $10 right here. I'm going to ask for my password. I already got it in there. So I'm going to click get rewarded. And I got to confirm it just like that. And confirm. And you see there, my balance went down to $3.80. So the $10 is on my way. It usually comes the next day. They'll send me an email saying they've, received my cash out process order or whatever. And then the next day I get my money. So, I mean, easy website to use, lots of different opportunities. I mean, just get on here and get started with it. I mean, it's just that simple. The link to it is in the description. Sign up for it today. Also recommend that you guys visit my website, pennies2000.com, because I have so many different websites and apps that I use to show people how to make even more money. So, definitely visit my website, get started with that. The link to that is also in the description. And just get started with it, guys. It's like there's so many different ways to make money online that are actually legit, because I know many scams out there, but you got to pay attention to the legit opportunities. And that's on my website, and my YouTube channel is designed to help you to understand that, like, all of these videos I'm doing on these websites and apps, they're legit ways. I'm doing tutorials, I'm doing cash out, showing you that I'm getting paid. So you can do the exact same thing, and the best part about it is all of them are free. So I recommend that you guys sign up for these sites that I'm showing you in my videos. Get started with it today. Like I said, the link to all this stuff is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.